Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video, we're going to be talking about mixing different battery chemistries, in particular, lead acid AGMs with lithium phosphates, and can it work? And yes, it can, because I've been doing it for several years now, and they work great together. Let me give you a little more of a technical side of it. First of all, lithium phosphates, when they are 99.5% charged, that's equivalent to 27.6 volts, and we're talking about a 24 volt system now. And it just so happens lead acids, AGMs, the ideal float voltage for them is 27.6. So if you set your chargers for 27.6, you're setting them both for ideal circumstances for both batteries. Now, on the discharge side, what happens is the lead acids have a resting voltage of about 25.4 volts. Okay. Now, as your lithium phosphates discharge, those lead acids will just sit there idle, and they won't contribute an iota of power to your system. Okay. It isn't until the lithium phosphates drop down to 25.6, 25.4 range that the lead acids start kicking in, and then you've got a fully charged set of lead acid batteries there to back up your lithium phosphates. So what happens is effectively you're slowing down the discharge rate of your lithium phosphates, and they'll just go a lot longer than they normally would if you didn't have those lead acids in there. Now, I've got 6 AGMs down there, 100 amp hour AGMs. So that's 300 amp hours for a 24 volt system. And effectively, that's really only 150 amps, because you never want to take your lead acids down more than 50% by rule of thumb. All right, so when both of them are working together, then the next thing you got to look out for is the low voltage. Okay. Now, it just so happens both the lithium phosphates and the AGMs are, the lithium phosphates are almost dead at 24 volts. You got probably about maybe 7-8% left in your batteries there. But then at 24 volts, you'll have 50% discharge on your lead acid batteries, and that would be a good time to shut your system down. So for you guys out there, especially RVers, that a lot of you are still using lead acid batteries, and you're wanting to upgrade into lithium phosphate, and if your lead acids are still in good shape and you don't want to just throw them out to pasture, you can incorporate them with your lithium phosphates, and they'll work out just fine. So anyways, I hope you found that information useful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.